In an effort to destroy Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency industry, Donald Trump blames Joe Biden. Greetings, crypto devotees. Feel free to return today. Video plays a crucial role. Bitcoin and Ethereum were accepted by Donald Trump. Since the Bitcoin halving event, the cryptocurrency market has become bullish again. A huge step forward for the cryptocurrency market. All right, then I'll cut to the chase. Trump Donald. Joe Biden is attempting to destroy the U.S. cryptocurrency business, according to the former president of the United States, who is setting up a battle with Biden this year, his competitor for president in 2020. Biden wants Bitcoin and crypto in the U.S. to die a slow and painful death, according to Trump, who has just started collecting crypto campaign donations after making millions of dollars selling crypto-based digital trading cards. Press the like button if you're still tuning in. Totally insane as far as Trump is concerned. I have nothing but good things to say about Bitcoin businesses and anything else having to do with this exciting new field. Truth Social, Trump's social network clone of X, was where he posted. Previously known as Twitter, which he established in 2022, Trump took a total of 8 cryptocurrencies, including Shib, which is the most shocking aspect of today's film. It's possible that another 0 will be erased soon. The campaign of the former president will take Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and Bitcoin, according to Trump's website. In response to an online statement, the Campaign for President of the United States of America has established a fundraising page that allows any legally authorized donor to contribute to its joint fundraising committees using any cryptocurrency that is compatible with the Coinbase commerce platform. According to Trump, our nation needs to take the lead in this area. No one can take second place. Uncle Joe Biden, in contrast, the U.S. crypto business, has taken a major hit since the worst president our nation has ever had banned Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This week, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, obtained a fully fledged Wall Street spot exchange traded fund ETF, a development that will likely attract investors who had previously shunned the cryptocurrency market. This is interesting because the political wins in Washington had been strongly against the technology since the collapse of the FTX crypto exchange. The entry of Wall Street spot exchange traded funds has been a major factor in the meteoric rise of Bitcoin and Ethereum over the past year. Dig deep, since the Fed may be poised to turbocharge the price of Bitcoin. The outspoken Biden fan and Shark Tank entrepreneur Mark Cuban warned earlier this month that Biden's stance on cryptocurrency could help Trump win the 2024 election. As a result of the unexpected approval of the Ethereum ETF, the price of Ethereum has been hovering around $4,000 per Ether this week, while the price of Bitcoin has risen to an all-time high of over $70,000 per Bitcoin. This has presented an advantageous opportunity for Bitcoin. However, how do you feel about Trump's plan to adopt cryptocurrency? Leave a comment using the form below. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. We have reached the final segment of this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Furthermore, kindly forward this movie to your friends. It is time to spread the word. Much obliged for your time. Things spiral out of hand. The chart is annoying and distracting, even when it remains red. Contrary information is provided by the on-chain data. Behind the scenes, we have BlackRock, Coinbase, and you might have a whole new impression of Shiba Inu after watching this movie and learning their moves. So what exactly am I referring to, and what's the point of being excited? Allow me to clarify. Another drop in price has occurred in the Shiba Inu during the last day. The fact that this is the third day in a row that the value of Shiba Inu has been contested is notable. Neither Shiba Inu nor its creators are directly responsible for the main cause of the breed's downfall. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is the ever-changing player here. Any changes in the Bitcoin world usually have a big effect on the value of Shiba Inu, since these dogs like to follow the price of Bitcoin very closely. The complexities of Bitcoin's price fluctuations are beyond the scope of this article, because there is an abundance of important Shiba Inu news that needs to be covered. Nevertheless, it should be mentioned that BlackRock has experienced yet another day without receiving any Bitcoin investments. For the third day in a row, the Bitcoin assets of Grayscale, meanwhile, seem to be being actively sold. Plus, it's quite bizarre and unexpected. Immediately following the U.S. approval of the Bitcoin ETF, over the course of 70 days, BlackRock experienced a surge of inflows. People were astonished and concerned when they first noticed 0 inflows 2 days ago. Can you fathom the level of panic that exists now when no funds have been received for 3 consecutive days? It is possible that investors are selling off assets and anxiously watching the market. Market participants are worried about potential future downturns, becoming less optimistic about the whole cryptocurrency sector. A lot of investors are wondering what's going on because it's so unusual. This is the way it is. Considering BlackRock's 70-day inflow run, this is clearly not the norm. Although it could be rational to have a single day with no inflows, BlackRock remains a formidable investor. But it remains. I don't know why, but 3 days with no incoming funds? Something is clearly amiss since this has us worried. What piques our interest is the zero. We don't understand why this is happening because it's neither an influx nor an outflow. It's zero. The question then becomes, what may be the causes of this anomaly? Several things could be at play here. Reasons include institutional investors shifting their money, unclear regulations, or even a strategic decision by BlackRock could have a role. The precision, nevertheless, leads us to believe that these are not investors, but rather a transfer from BlackRock. Maintaining a constant zero seems to go counter to what would be considered normal human behavior. Usually there is a little variation. No matter how little, the impact will be felt. Instead of being a result of investors' natural behavior, staying at zero for 3 days in a row seems planned, indicating a deliberate activity by BlackRock. Everything is conjecture at this time due to the lack of concrete information. In any case, this is the rationale behind it. The whole cryptocurrency market has been dragged down by Bitcoin's continued decline for the third consecutive day. Still, we might expect the Shiba Inu price to rise another 41% during the next week. Keep in mind that the Shiba Inu pricing had a fantastic start after the team announced a $12 million fundraising campaign on April 19th, and then it rallied by 53% from April 22nd. Over the past 3 days, Shiba Inu has pared 10% of its weekly gains, bringing the total to 41%. Contrary to popular belief, bulls appear to be actively seeking further gains. Based on current patterns in the derivatives markets, that is all that matters. If bulls are still looking to make bigger gains, matters. Very minor changes in time, particularly if they are not Shiba Inu related. Little crypto space. Doesn't really matter. Consider it in this way. Even if you encounter some difficulties on your road journey as a result of traffic or bad weather, it will not affect your final destination or the quality of your vacation as a whole. Also, Shiba Inu won't be affected if the market as a whole is falling or if there are fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market caused by external reasons. Assuming fundamental demand and positive attitude are strong, it won't affect Shiba Inu's long-term potential. Putting aside the 10% price tag on the Shiba Inu, updating during the past 3 days, meme coin markets as a whole have been soaring recently. There has been a rise in speculative trading as people try to predict when Shiba Inu will start to recover. There is a significant misalignment between the rate of new futures contracts and the trend in prices. Pay close attention to this. Although there have been temporary setbacks, there is a great deal of excitement and belief in the potential for the Shiba Inu price to recover. Therefore, it is anticipated that the price will rebound. A favorable outlook for Shiba Inu is likely to prevail if traders are heavily involved in futures contracts. This uptick in activity has the potential to add gasoline to the fire of optimism, influence the price to rise in the near future, and here's something you need to know. Cohen Glass at the start of each week. The open interest statistic tracks the entire value of all currency futures contracts. The open interest in Shiba Inu was $51 million, albeit open interest in Shiba Inu has climbed by $23 million since the April 19th charge, reaching $75 million at the moment, according to the most recent data.